broccoli. B, B, broccoli. B, B, broccoli. B is for broccoli. C is for carrot. C, C, carrot. C, C, carrot. C is for carrot. D is for daikon. D, D, daikon. D, D, daikon. D is for daikon. E is for eggplant. E, E, eggplant. E, E, eggplant. E is for eggplant. F is for fennel. F, F, fennel. F, F, fennel. F is for fennel. G is for garlic. G, G, garlic. G, G, garlic. G is for garlic. H is for horseradish. H, H, horseradish. H, H, horseradish. H is for horseradish. I is for iceberg lettuce. I, iceberg lettuce. I, iceberg lettuce. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jalapeno. Hey, TJ, jalapeno. J, TJ, jalapeno. K is for jalapeno. K is for kale. K, K, kale. J, J, kale. D is for kale. L is for leek. L, L, leek. L, L, leek. L is for leek. M is for mushroom. M, M, mushroom. M, M, mushroom. M is for mushroom. N is for napa cabbage. N, napa cabbage. N, napa cabbage. N is for napa cabbage. O is for okra. O, O, okra. O, O, okra. O is for okra. P is for potato. P, P, potato. P, P, potato. P is for potato. Q is for quinoa. Healthy veggie food. Q, Q, quinoa. Q is for quinoa. R is for radish. R, radish. R, radish. R is for radish. S is for spinach. S, spinach. S, spinach. S is for spinach. T is for tomato. T, tomato. T, tomato. T is for tomato. U is for ugly vegetable. Fun learning word. U, ugly. U, ugly. U is for ugly. V is for vegetable. V, vegetable. V, vegetable. V is for vegetable. W is for watercress. W, watercress. W, watercress. X is for siga. A healthy plant food. X, siga. X, sigua. Y is for yam. B, yam. B, yam. I is for yam. Z is for zucchini. Z, zucchini. Z, zucchini. Z is for zucchini. Apple, apple is red and crunchy rough. Banana, banana is sweet and soft and cherry, cherry is small and yummy. Date, date is sweet to eat no while. Elderberry, elderberry, elderberry grows in bunches. Fig, fig is soft and tasty. Fig, grapes, grapes are juicy and fun. Honeydew, honeydew is cool and sweet. Indian fig, Indian fig is colorful and tasty. Sauce, jackfruit, jackfruit is big and delicious. Kiwi, kiwi Watermelon, watermelon is cool and refreshing. Like Sigua, Sigua is juicy and refreshing. Yellow passion, the yellow passion fruit, the yellow passion fruit is sweet and dry. Zucchini, zucchini is green and healthy fare. Ice for asparagus, asparagus, asparagus. B is for asparagus.
B is for broccoli.
B,
Broccoli.
B,
Broccoli. B is for broccoli.
C is for carrot. C, carrot. C, carrot. C is for carrot.
T is for daikon.
D,
Daikon.
D,
Daikon. D is for daikon.
E is for eggplant. 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 E is for eggplant.
F is for fennel. 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 F is for fennel.
G is for garlic. 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 G is for garlic.
H is for horseradish. 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 H is for horseradish.
I is for iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. I is for iceberg lettuce.
T is for jalapeno. Jalapeno. Jalapeno.
G
is for jalapeno.
G is for garlic. Garlic. J is for garlic.
L is for leek. 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 L is for leek.
M is for mushroom.
Mushroom. Mushroom. M is for mushroom.
N is for napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. N is for napa cabbage.
O is for okra.
hibiscus. Hatch, hatch, hibiscus. Hatch, hatch, hibiscus. Hatch is for hibiscus. I is for iris. 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 I is for iris. J is for jasmine. J, jasmine. J, jasmine. J is for jasmine. K is for kangaroo paw. K, kangaroo paw. K, kangaroo paw. K is for kangaroo paw. L is for lotus. L, lotus. L, lotus. L is for lotus. M is for marigold. M, marigold. M, marigold. M is for marigold. N is for narcissus. 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 N is for narcissus. O is for orchid. O, orchid. O, orchid. O is for orchid. Q is for Queen Anne's lace. Lace. Queen Anne's lace. Lace. Queen Anne's lace is for Queen Anne's lace. I is for rose. R, rose. R, rose. R is for rose. S is for sunflower. S, sunflower. S, sunflower. S is for sunflower. T is for tulip. T, tulip. T, tulip. T is for tulip. U is for ulex. U, ulex. U, ulex. U is for ulex. V is for violet. V, violet. V, violet. V is for violet. W is for water lily. W, water lily. W, water lily. W is for water lily. X is for serentemum. X, serentemum. X, serentemum. X is for serentemum. Y is for yarrow. Y, yarrow. Y, yarrow. I is for yarrow. Z is for zinnia. Z, zinnia. Z, zinnia. Z is for zinnia. Apple. Apple is red and crunchy rough. Banana. Banana is sweet and soft and cherry. Cherry is small and yummy. Date. Date is sweet to eat no while. Elderberry. Elderberry. Elderberry grows in bunches. Fig. Fig is soft and tasty. Fig. Grapes. Grapes are juicy.